Hi, SpongeBob.
Do you want to watch Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy with me?
Yeah, sure. But we have to watch it in your house because my TV is broken again.
Okay, that sounds good to me. Let's go.
Go.
Okay, Patrick, let's watch Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's watch.
Yeah, but I think we forgot something.
Yeah, I have a feeling that we forgot something. But what?
The popcorn. We can't watch Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy without the popcorn.
Yeah, you're right. Let's make popcorn.
Yay!
And how does it work, SpongeBob?
Well, you take corn, put it in this plastic thingy, do this.
Whoa, whoa, it's
Patrick,
Coral.
calm down.
Oh,
And then turn it on.
yay! Look, SpongeBob, it's spinning so fast.
I know, Patrick.
Yeah. We're waiting.
We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting.
What was that, SpongeBob?
I think it was a pop-splosion.
Ah, but it was epic!